How to change your Google account email address. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Google account email address. First, navigate to the Gmail app on your phone. Now tap the profile icon in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, tap the Manage Your Google Account button. You will be directed to the Google account. Here, reach the Personal Info tab from the top bar. Next, scroll down and tap Email to go to the email settings. You can manage the email addresses associated with your Google account. After that, tap the Contact Email option. To add a new email, tap on the Add button and enter a new contact email. Then hit Add and it will be added as your contact email. It will send a verification email to your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.